And we are back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscaping. Check out this beautiful Zeon Zoysia sod installation. That's right, we put in over 3 pallets in the backyard, graded this landscaping out. We work with our good partners over at NG Turf, and it says that we can always ensure ourselves that we're gonna have a premium sod installation. That's right, check out the texture and the blade of this Zeon Zoysia. It's drought tolerant, it's shade tolerant, it has the ability to take on a tremendous amount of foot traffic, and we put in over 15 pallets of that beautiful Zeon Zoysia sod on this landscape in order to give this customer back their landscape in an exceptional fashion. And that's just what we do right here at Brooks Landscaping. And it just says that if you're in the Bentwater, Seven Hills area, or you're in Paulding County and specifically you're looking for an outdoor landscape transformation, guys, you don't have to look far. The professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, we've been solving our customers' landscape problems for over a decade now, and we'd love to do the same for you. Make sure you click the link below for your free quote only at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.